Today we have something special. We've been waiting months for this model to get done here in Heath Golf and Yacht Club. Let's go take a look. Hey, I'm Scott Baxter, your local Dallas realtor, helping people just like you move to the great state of Texas every day. We are in Heath, Texas, Heath Golf and Yacht Club, Grand Homes' newest model by Stephen Brooks, the owner of Grand Homes. Just finished this one. This is the Grand Legacy. Super excited to show you this home right now. It's elegant. It's over 5,000 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4-bath, media room, kids retreat. It has it all. And this just opened yesterday. So this is your sneak peek into the newest Grand Home, and you can build it here at Heath Golf and Yacht Club, and you can also build it in Kings Crossing in Parker, Texas. That's where they're allowing this to be built right now. This is a very special home, so let's go take a look right now. Well, thank you once again for joining me in Heath Golf and Yacht Club. You have 14 different grand home plans that you can build. They have 3-car garages starting at $814,000 up to a half-acre lot. Heath Golf and Yacht Club is a master plan community on the lake with its own private golf course, its own private restaurant, its own private gym. Lots of community here, pickleball, tennis. You have it all in this neighborhood. There are many opportunities right now, including a next phase with a golf course right next to it to build your dream grand home. So don't hesitate. Come in and check it out. Contact me. Never go in unrepresented. Contact me below, and I can help you get that smooth transition and best deal for grand homes in Heath Golf and Yacht Club. Now, if you want to build the grand legacy in Kings Crossing in Parker, Texas, that's right next to Allen, Texas, and all the malls. Amazing school system up there. You have 1 to 2 acre lots in Kings Crossing in Parker, Texas, and you have 10 different grand home plans starting at $1.3 million. Now, I want to put you towards my videos that I've done. At the end here, I'm going to point you towards my Parker, Texas Kings Crossing video, and I'm also going to point you towards every build you can do with grand homes in Heath Golf and Yacht Club. So don't forget to click, like, and subscribe. That always keeps you updated with the best and most recent information that I have that you're going to need in order to get the best deal and your dream home going. So until next time, never stop chasing that dream home.